Today I have 27 tips to share with you, and actually this is going to be on a playlist, so I'm not sure where you might pick up on this playlist or where you might stop in. So I'm going to be pulling from and expanding upon 27, and I know that's an awful lot, but 27 valuable tips. And what I'm going to do is break down each one of them for you and kind of expand on it from the real estate business and give you all the knowledge that I possibly can. Each of the videos from here forward, I'm aiming to have them be about 2 minutes, which means I'm going to be speaking very quickly. So hang in there with me because we've got 27 valuable tips that you should know to get your home sold fast and for top dollar.